Welcome to our all-in-one software program that works for not only established businesses, but for startups and even aspiring entrepreneurs who are just having trouble implementing their ideas digitally. Now in this demo, I'm going to break down a few of the different things from website creation to text message automation and everything in between. But I first want to explain who we are and what we do. We are not only a software company, we are also a service company. The biggest issue in software today is that business owners have trouble figuring it out and understanding it. So that's why we care so much about our service and setting up everything for the business owner so that they don't have to worry about any of those problems. But let's get right into it. The first thing I want to cover is our websites tab. We have an entire list of templates with done-for-you websites for all different types of businesses. Not to mention, if your business isn't located in the template, we can make one for you. But for this example, let's use medical spa. As you can see, in just one click, you have 5 different website templates to choose from if you're in the med spa industry. All you have to do is click on one of the templates and it pulls up a beautiful done-for-you website that we, as a service company, can actually go in and edit and make sure everything runs smoothly so that it's your photos, your name, your email, your phone number, and most importantly, your testimonials and your quick links to social medias and contact us pages. Now, don't get me wrong, websites are great, but websites mean absolutely nothing if you don't have a function to them. And what I mean by function is automation. Automation is taking over. And to give you a quick summary of what I mean by automation, I'll scroll all the way up here to the top. And you can see there's a Learn More button. So when we have this website live, what will happen if they click Learn More? Well, this is the function of the website. You want to make sure that they either learn more about your product or service, or that they get in touch with someone immediately, which is why I'm going to take you into our amazing automations tab. Inside of automation, we can actually create anything that you want. Any type of follow-up campaigns, automatic texting, automatic email, notifying all of your employees and users when something happens, and just making sure that technology is working for you. So let me show you the quickest and easiest example of what I mean. Here's an example of one of our automations for real estate agents. So first off, every automation starts with a trigger event, and most trigger events are a form being submitted. So once a customer puts in their name, number, and email and submits the form, what happens next? Well, as you can see, we make sure that we assign it to a user, whether that's an employee of the company, a real estate agent, or even the business owner themselves. And then of course, the next step, we want to send an automatic text message to the lead. So as you can see here, we send an automatic text that puts in their contact name and even the user's name, and then ask them if they're still interested in looking at the home. We then add more wait times and send out a follow-up second message that can be custom designed by you and how you speak to your customers. Or we can help you with that as well. And the best part about this follow-up campaign is that you can make it as long as you want, which means you'll never have to worry about manually following up with your leads again, because our campaigns are designed to stop on response, which means as soon as a customer or a lead responds, then the automation stops. And once that lead responds, whether it be on the first message or the 10th message, you will now have a conversation with a lead that came from your form, website, or even your Facebook or Google ads, which will boost your conversions and make sure you get way more sales. And while I'm on the topic of Facebook and Google ads, we integrate with your Google and Facebook ad accounts so that you can manage absolutely all of your ad listings and connect them to our auto text so that they work 10 times better. Our ads and templates convert at a much higher rate than the average. We also have a reputation management tab, which means you can manage all of your different reviews and respond to them right inside of the app. But why are Google reviews so important? Because they skyrocket your SEO and Google ranking. If you're a business owner, you know how important it is to be the first, second, or third ranking on Google. And if you don't think Google ranking is important, check out these numbers down here with one of the clients. Over 40,000 interactions in the last 30 days alone. And check out this custom apparel business that went from a complete startup and unknown to 1,500 page views and over 4,600 interactions on Google in the last 30 days. Not to mention, they're running 0 paid ads, which means all this traffic is organic and free. We even have an all-in-one conversations inbox tab where you can manage not only your text messaging, but your emailing, your Facebook messages, your Instagram DMs, and you can even request for payments. Our payment integrations are top-notch. We integrate with both Stripe and PayPal, which means you can create beautiful invoices at the click of a button and send them by either text or email to all of your customers. You can even manage your orders, transactions, products, and your tax settings. And if you're into email marketing, you will love our marketing tab and email templates, where you can just click on a template and customize a stunning mass email in minutes with a clickable link and text message automation. And yes, I know this may seem like a lot, but that's why we're a service company. Just tell us what you want and we'll get it done for you. We also just introduced our brand new social planner, which allows you to post directly from Facebook, Instagram, and Google in one spot. We even have a custom form builder feature where you can actually customize your own forms and collect any and all different types of customer information that fits your business. Whether it's just a simple name, number, and email form with a submit button, or perhaps a more intricate form that requires date of birth, postal code, city, state, or even a custom option that you can create yourself. We can make sure that your custom forms work automatically with our system. We even have a custom chat widget we can add to either your existing website or a website that you build with us, so that your customers can get in touch with you easier than ever. Thank you for watching our quick summarized demo video. And if you're still curious and want to see how this software works in person, then just go to our website, fill out our form, and press submit. And you will see the automation take place, the follow-up, and everything. And you can just sit back and watch how effective it is. Thank you for watching.